Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I have an unboxing to do today by DaySpring. I think it's a Studio 71 planner, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Usually I unbox them backwards because the other one has personal information on the front of it, so I just unbox it from behind. Here we go. It is the planner. Yay! They said they were sending it, so card in there. Ooh, so pretty. And it actually has, there's a lid inside my box. Come on out, lid. It's stuck in the box. I'm trying to get it out, but to get it out in just a minute. Boxes, you know me and boxes. Okay. So here is the box that it comes in, and it's a really pretty gift box. Oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It is the premium planner from Studio 71 and by DaySpring. It's got this pretty vellum cover to it, which makes, this pretty vellum pieces of paper, which makes it really kind of elegant for gift giving. And let's see, it has the really pretty box. It's got a card to it. It says, if you like what you see, you can shop the entire collection and get access to free content like wallpapers that match the collection. It is a 2019 to 2020 planner, so July 2019 through December 2020, 18-month premium devotional planner. Monthly devotions, monthly and weekly grids, monthly reflection space. So let's go ahead and just take a look at it. I'm just going to do a quick peek into some of the features, and then we'll come back and do, after I've played with it for a bit, give you a nice little review on that. But it is quite gorgeous. Beautiful gold spiral spining paper. It's got some devotion, place to write, beautiful artwork. Then we have our month, and then our week. It looks like week at a glance. And then we go into July with the artwork, the devotion, monthly devotion, and week at a glance. And every week at a glance has a verse, and it, repeats itself all the way. So we have looks like we have July 2019, then we have all the way through December, and then we have all the way again through December, which is cool. It's a nice, there's definitely a lot of pages in here. Then you have your notes section, gratitude section, goals section. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, lots of pages for goals, which is nice. To-dos, and then hope. Interesting, hope. That is nice. Okay, and then you have pockets, and then you have the back. Wow. Okay. So this is the 2020 planner by Studio 71. It measures 8 by 10. It's got the gold on it, which is really nice. It's got the elastic band, the monthly tabs, the devotional, the reflection. It's really nice. So I am excited. It retails for $49.99. That means it ships for free from DaySpring. And if you purchase this on pre-order, they're going to give you a collection of Studio 71 cards. So if you're interested, please click the link. That helps support our ministry. And I can't wait to play with this and see how I like it. So I will let you know in a bit when, so it's pre-ordering on the 20th with the free cards that you get and the free shipping. And then June 3rd is the launch date. So I will definitely have a review out at least by June 3rd so that you can see what I've done with it. All right. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and click the link if you're interested in pre-ordering this to get the free bonuses. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.